Hi there, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Peal Lemon, and this is a quick tutorial on how you can check for search engine result pages using Ahrefs free SEO tools. So we're gonna hop on straight to it. So the first step that you'd want to do is you want to go to this specific URL from Ahrefs free SEO tools. It will be down in the description. So once you've done that and you've located this specific page, what you want to do is highlight or hover over or click on the keyword generator and navigate to the SERP checker. So this stands for Search Engine Result Page Checker. So a search engine that may be Google or Bing, and we're checking for the results for a specific keyword, and it will show us the page. In the previous illustration, we used the keyword web designer, and we're going to carry that through this video, and we're going to type in web designer as a keyword. So this is where you would want to put your specific keyword that you want to be ranking for. All right, and you click on start, and Ahrefs is going to start doing its thing. And of course we want to choose a location. So I'm not in the United States, I'm in South Africa, so I'll type in South Africa. It pops up there, and Ahrefs is going to quickly check if we're human, which we are, of course, which we are. Okay, it's going to do its magic. All right, it's getting us those results. While we wait, okay, there we go. So this is the overview for the keyword web designer in South Africa. This is the search engine result page overview for the keyword web designer. So I'm going to tell you why it's better to check for a specific keyword on Ahrefs, mainly because it gives us a little bit more information as to the competitor or what we need to do in able to rank higher for that specific keyword. So as you see here, it was last updated 24 hours ago, so it's fresh. So now we know how to work at it. So this is the search result URL. So this is the top ranking website for the keyword web designer right now. So even if you type on Google web designer, this will be the first result that you see. Why? Let us see at the analytics right here. So it says here the domain ranking is 75, which is awesome, and the URL ranking is 37. The backlinks are off the roof. They have 23,000 backlinks. Domains, referring domains, that is 4,700, and they are generating up to 1,400 traffic. So approximately 1,400 people are locating their website just by typing web designer on Google, and they currently have 408 keywords that they are ranking highly for. So this is really good to know when you're planning out your SEO strategy. And another really key thing to notice is the people also ask. This will just tell you something that you can also add on an FAQ on your homepage. It will also tell you what questions you should ask. This is another way to be ranking high for top keywords such as this, by answering simple questions in an easy format. So practically, that was a quick tutorial on how you can check for the search engine result page for a specific keyword for your brand, for your company. If you need any help, feel free to contact me or visit our website, pearllemon.com.